Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is hands down the best monster truck launcher on the market, the Monster Jam official Megalodon remote control monster truck. This incredible toy brings high-octane excitement right into your home, designed for kids ages 4 and up who love everything monster trucks. First off, the Megalodon truck itself is a 1/24 scale remote control monster truck, powered by a 2.4 GHz controller that offers smooth, responsive control. Whether your child is just starting out or already a monster truck pro, this RC truck is easy to handle, making it perfect for boys and girls alike. The design is bold and realistic, inspired by the legendary Megalodon monster truck from Monster Jam, capturing the spirit of those thrilling live events. What really sets this product apart is the launcher playset it comes with. It's a massive setup that stands over 6 feet tall and about 1 foot wide, designed to mount securely to the wall with the included 3M command strips. This ensures that kids can enjoy stunt after stunt without any damage to walls, giving parents peace of mind. The launcher itself features 3 adjustable launch modes, allowing you to crank the monster truck up the ramp and release it with jaw-dropping moves like high jumps, front flips, and corkscrews. The stunt dial integrated in the dyno's mouth lets kids pick their favorite tricks to perform, making the play experience interactive and endlessly entertaining. Adding to the thrill, the playset lights up and includes realistic sounds that bring the dyno and the Monster Jam action to life. These sensory features help immerse kids in the excitement, making the whole experience feel like a live Monster Jam event right at home. Plus, the exclusive ThunderROARus truck that comes with the set adds to your Monster Jam collection. And the playset is compatible with other 1/64 scale Monster Jam trucks, sold separately, so you can expand the fun even further. The package includes everything you need to set up quickly and start playing: the monster truck, wall brackets, multiple command strips, track pieces, the dyno head with movable parts, crank arms, and detailed instructions to guide you through assembly. It's designed to be durable and safe, keeping the focus on fun and epic stunts. If you're searching for the perfect gift for a young Monster Jam fan, this set is a standout choice. It combines scale realism, exciting stunt action, and ease of use into one incredible toy. Whether it's a birthday, holiday, or just because, this launcher playset will provide hours of thrilling entertainment. So there you have it, the Monster Jam official Megalodon remote control monster truck and launcher playset is the best monster truck launcher you can get for kids. It delivers huge fun, amazing stunts, and great quality in one awesome package. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest and detailed product reviews. See you next time.